signal was a test of the weather radio station WXJ 93 Crydersville, Ohio public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Ogways, Defiance, Hancock, Hardin, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Baylor, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Crydersville, Ohio. Here are the 11 a.m. weather conditions. This is a test of the Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the KCZ-47 listening area of northwest Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. Potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties: in Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Starr, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Woodland, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Bradford, Alaska, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Worth. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWS and click on Know Weather Radio under local information. We now return to a regular program.